Hello friend, today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to lock and unlock users in Linux. Okay, how to identify which users has been locked, which user password has been locked and how to unlock them. Okay, but first of all you have to know two things. The first one is the two important files which is responsible for user information and password information. Remember, the user information is saved inside cat etc passwd. This file, passwd file. Okay, so this file stores user information. So if you type cat etc passwd, it will show you the list of user and their information like user id, group id, comment section, home directory, sale they are using. Okay, everything. But the main point is user password is saved inside a different file. So in every Linux machine, the user information is saved inside different file and the password information is saved inside a different file. Now the file where the password information is saved is etc shadow. Okay, and just press cat etc shadow and it will display you the password related information. Okay, so here I am going to add a user zone. Suppose I am by default adding a user zone. Okay, so when you add a user zone and you not assign any password, what do you mean by this? Can you log in with this user? No, by default this user is locked. If you not set up any password, the user is locked. How will you know that this user is locked or whatever? So you can see passwd -s username, and you can clearly see here zone lk means the zone user is locked. You can see password locked. Okay, because I have not yet assigned any password to this user. Okay, so in this case when you create a user, by default the user password is locked. It means no one can log in with that user. What will happen if I assign a password to this user? Let me assign some password to this user. So passwd zone, suppose 123 123, done. So now this time I assigned a password. Now I am going to check what happened to the password. So passwd -s zone, and now you can see ps zone. Ps means password set. You can see password set with md5 cryptography. It means now this user has some password and you can log in with this password. Now this user is not locked. Okay, this user password is not locked. You can directly log into this user with the help of the password zone user password. Now the third thing what I can do is I am going to delete the password of user zone. So passwd-d zone, this command will delete the password of the user zone. Now in this case what will happen, you can check the status, password status using passwd-s zone, and you can clearly see zone np means no password, and here you can see empty password. It means zone user have no password. It means now anyone can log in with user zone, and if you log in with user zone it will ask no password, directly log in. Okay, now what are the other method to lock and unlock a user? So let me create a user, another user. I have added a user Tiwary. Now I am going to assign some password to user Tiwary. I have assigned password 123 to user Tiwary. Now user Tiwary is value user here. You can check the status of user Tiwary. Okay, it's saying password set, everything is okay. If you want to see the change command, change -l username. Okay, so here also you can see password expire or password inactive. It's not never. So it means this user is not expired. Now what I am going to do, I am going to lock this user. So how to lock this user? Passwd-l and the name of the user. L stand for lock. Now this command will lock the password of user Tiwary. And if any user has been locked in this way, you have to first check here that password is locked or not, and once locked you have to unlock. How to unlock? you can simply unlock using hyphen UF. Okay, U for unlock, F for forcefully, and this command will forcefully unlock the user. Now you see the status of user Tiwary, password set, not no more locked. So in this way you can lock and unlock. So if any user is locked using this method, you can unlock using this method. Now the second method, or you can say the other method to lock a user. Okay, so we can lock the user in different way. I told you. So I'm going to lock the user mode hyphen p, and I put a stick here and user Tiwary. Now if you see the status, it's showing alternative authentication scheme in use, and you can see Tiwary LK means locked. Okay, LK means locked. So if a user is locked in this way, you have to unlock this user using setting some password like pass wd Tiwary, suppose 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, done. Now you can see password set. Okay, now the third method is by changing the cell. By default the cell for the user Tiwary is bin bash. You can check the file etc pass wd, and you can see the cell last number, so last column bin bash for Tiwary user. You can change this cell to, so total number of cell is cat etc cells, and you can here see bin sh bin bash sbin no login. Now if you set a cell sbin no login to any user, that user will not be able to log in. So I'm going to change the cell user mode. Okay, hyphen s means change the cell sbin no login. Okay, has been no login to user Tiwary. Now the cell for this user has been changed. So you can see has been no login. Now this user can't be login. You can't log in with this user because I have changed the cell. So once the cell has been changed, and if you want to unlock this user, in this case you have to do one thing, that you have to change the cell again to bin bash. Change the cell to bin bash. And now this user is normal user now, and you can log in with this user. Okay, and if you want to see the password status of any user, you can simply type passwd hyphen s and the name of the user, suppose John or whatever, hyphen s, only single s. Okay, any user, you can just simply type this one and you can check. I hope you guys understand how to lock and unlock users, how to change the password, how to lock and how to unlock, the different methods to lock and unlock users, how to check the status of the user, and it will help you to understand the server handling, the user based security inside any Linux operating system. So thank you for watching. If you are interested in cyber security, ethical hacking, networking, penetration testing, bug bounty, you can contact me through my WhatsApp number which is running on the screen. So thank you for watching.